Waiter.
Anta ka na, boy. Ano ba?
Wala naman chicks eh. I wanna take a pull your clothes and sexual.
Kahit ayaw mo.
Oh my God.
Isama pa.
Is there a name on it, man?
Society. Ito ba yung society? Ito ba yung society
Is there a
natin?
name on it?
That.
Oh my God, I don't
si...
think so, man.
Mo, Ched.
Yung chair na
Uy, tama ni Paco.
Hey man, don't mess with the nigga, man.
Kaibigan ni Tess.
Oh, you look like him.
Ched.
Oh no.
Ched yan, no?
This nigga's a bad, man.
Lumalabas
Don't
sa
mess
ilo.
with the nigga.
Chen.
I don't
nigga
care.
from the
Chen ba?
nigga.
Chen? Ched ba?
Okay.
Nakakailan beses na ako tiyatanda, nakalimutan ko pa.
It makes me wanna take a pull your clothes and sexual all over the place.
Tayo mo? Participate? Yun, parang participate lang yan. Parang ganun lang yan. Nakikiloko lang.
Sexual all over the
Naka-factor lang.
place.
Kahit hindi.
Makes me wanna take a pull your clothes, yeah.
Ito, itong loko tong. Yan. Pang ano yan? Pang Facebook yan.
Sexual all over the place, over and over again.
Ano, waki.
Hey, babe.
Ano gusto ng tao? Waki.
So, walang problema.
No. I don't
There's
have a...
no
Eh, gusto niyo
problem.
mag-ano?
You.
I know, you have to paint. I mean, you
Ah,
have to
Eh,
tell
prank ka.
Oh, akala ko ba paranoid ka lang?
Hey,
There is no problem.
Hey, brother.
Okay.
There's no problem with me.
Comment kayo.
I don't know about
Talikuran,
them.
ganyan.
If there's a problem with them, then let's deal with it, man.
Basta ang people.
I don't have a problem. Do you have?
A problem?
It's a question. You don't have to put a problem after that fucking sentence. It's just a question mark after the
Ayos lang
question.
yan. Basta. Paunti-unti lang. Paunti-unti lang.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I understand.
Evolution.
You have a
Tama ba yung evolution?
So what's the point?
Do you have?
Tantang.
I told him that I don't have a problem.
Oy,
Then I
mag-ibasunurin kayo.
constructed a
Kamukha
new
ng isang bata.
new question.
Ayo ah.
Don't put problem in another sentence. Just put a question mark after the sentence.
Like,
Don't mess with the nigga because the nigga is a bad boy.
oh.
So don't fucking preach me about the fucking words of wisdom that's coming out of your
SOP lang yan.
fucking head.
My what?
Yung ano,
My what?
topic, yung topic.
You're wonderful.
Ito na lang yung point.
Topic mismo.
In every point sa akin, there's an easy way and a hard way. If you're doing the hard way,
I'm gonna go to the east.
that's the point.
We want easy way.
Brother,
you Derek.
But
Derek.
brother, I don't have a problem with you or anyone here.
Stupid enough to put that in. Makakaya naman.
Hey, it's not proper. No.
Pwede mo yan,